show you the seasonings we gonna be. That's the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to be a part of the family, you already know what to do. And if you don't know what to do, hit subscribe. What you doing? We finna get to cooking. It's finna get real up in this kitchen. I ain't got no earrings, so you know it's finna get real. We making some what? We making some macaroni and cheese. Who you know make macaroni and cheese on a Monday night? Who you know? And it ain't from the box. It's 2020. We not making box macaroni and cheese. That's over with. We left that in 2010. We not making no box macaroni and cheese. We making macaroni and cheese from scratch. And we ain't even using no eggs. If you use eggs, it's okay. It's cool. And if you use box macaroni and cheese, that's your business. That's none of my business. But for me, as for me in my house, we don't eat box macaroni and cheese. We got some elbow mac and cheese. Got some elbow mac and cheese. And we have 3 cheeses that we're going to use today. I got some mozzarella cheese. I have sharp cheddar cheese. And I also have, you cannot make macaroni and cheese without this cheese. If you make your macaroni and cheese without this cheese, your macaroni and cheese is trash. Velveeta. What's a mac and cheese without Velveeta? You have to use Velveeta cheese. If you don't use Velveeta, your mac and cheese is automatically trash. And if you don't use Velveeta cheese, that's your business. But as for me and my house, we use Velveeta cheese. You're gonna need some butter. You're going to need some heavy whipping cream because we are going to be making our own cheese sauce. A very quick way to make your macaroni and cheese. If you make your macaroni and cheese with eggs and you put what's that, temp milk?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
But that pet milk brand, if you use that, that's all well good and fine. But as for me, this is my way of making macaroni and cheese. And this is also inspired by TrinityJae. I'm also going to show you the seasonings I'm going to be using. You can choose to use these seasonings if you want. You can also add your own seasonings if you want. I will be using pink Himalayan salt, black pepper. These next 2 seasonings, and these are the last 2 seasonings I will be using, is the kicker for this recipe. Oxtail. I use oxtail seasoning on everything. It's so good, and I don't even eat oxtails. But the seasoning is bussin', okay? Don't knock it till you try it. And last, but certainly not least, that's gonna slap your mama. All right, so for this, you are going to add in some butter. You are going to put it on low heat, simply because it doesn't take much for butter and cheese to melt. Also, I use about this much of flour. Why? I don't know. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Also, you need to have your elbow pasta water boiling. So by the time you're done with the cheese sauce, you will have your pasta nice and boiled. Next, you're going to add in your heavy whipping cream, or you could use half and half, or you could use milk. But this is heavy whipping cream. Okay, throughout this whole process, you have one job, and that's to taste your cheese sauce. You do not want gummy pasta, so you do want to make sure that it's cooked through, and don't cook it all the way through because it's going to cook in the oven as well. So now we are going to add our cheese sauce. Yo, this is going to be so good. And we making some fried chicken with this too, with some collard greens. Honey, we having a Sunday dinner. I always make too much macaroni and cheese, but that's my business. Alright, our mac and cheese is done. It looks good too. I can't wait to dig in. Lord, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Let it nourish our body. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Eat it. Eat it.